right, the next warm-up we're going to do is called sound circle. The way it works is one person in the circle is going to do a sound and a motion. They're going to look to their right and do anything, and then that person repeats the exact sound and motion, then quickly turns to the other person and does something different, and it flies around the circle at a high speed with lots of weird sounds and motions. Ready? And...
Whoop! Whoop! Woo!
Whee! Yeah!
Yeah!
Woo! Woo!
Hey! Hey!
Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
Wait.
So we go past around. Now what we're going to next is get with a partner, and we're going to go back and forth. So you're going to do a sound, and that person's going to do yours, and then do a different one. You go back and forth as fast as possible. Ready? So you go here, and begin.
Hey! Hey!
Yo!
Yo! Yo!
Ah.
Hey! Hey! Hey!